Hey everyone, I'm Ty the Naturalista, and today I'm going to be sharing my wash day with you guys. So, I'm going to be trying the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco, and this is the Creamy Hydration Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. There's no sulfates, no silicone, no mineral oil, and no petroleum in this product. And then after that, I will be taking the intensive conditioning treatment, which strengthens, deeply infuses moisture, and prevents hair breakage. And you can also use this as a deep conditioning too, but it says to leave it on for only 10 to 15 minutes. Me, typically, I like to leave my leave-in for 30 minutes. And you're not supposed to do it longer than that. So just so you know, do not go to sleep with any deep conditioning product. Do not go to sleep with it because it will make your hair limp in the morning because you're going to oversaturate your hair with moisture. So just keep that in mind. But let's get started on the wash day. So I will meet you guys in the shower. Okay guys, so we're in the bathroom and I almost forgot to show you guys that make sure you get one of these microfiber towels. I got this from Walmart. It cost me about $7. Now, if you don't want to get one, just use like a t-shirt, but do not use a regular towel because it will cause breakage. It could rip out your hair because it's so rough. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew that. And that's not sponsored. It's not affiliated, nothing like that, in case you didn't know. Typically, I pre-poo my hair, but since I'm not shampooing it, I'm not going to pre-poo my hair. Okay, we're going to hop in the shower and I'm going to show you how to co-wash. Okay, so the key to a great wash day, first you want to start off with saturating your hair really good underneath the shower head. I feel like I wash my hair the best when I'm in the shower because I can completely saturate my hair. So now I'm taking the co-wash and I'm going to co-wash my hair in sections because I just find that easier. And I'm just applying my fingertips, bottoms of your hand. You don't want to use your nails. And you just want to give your head a nice thorough massage so you can loosen any dirt or product from previously and increase blood flow, which is going to also generate hair growth. So I would do that for probably a couple minutes. Then after I am done massaging my scalp for a couple minutes, I start to detangle my hair into two sections. So I start at the front and I split that one part into two parts. So I end up with 4 parts and I just start to detangle that one little section at a time. Once you are done detangling that section, then you'll just go ahead and rinse that section out thoroughly, making sure you get all that co-wash out. And then you would just 2-strand twist that section up so you do not have to worry about it anymore and you do not have to worry about it tangling back up and it will stay detangled throughout the rest of the process. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat these same steps for the remaining of my head. And then once I have completed all of those steps, which is submerging your hair with water for a couple minutes, then you want to apply the co-wash. You want to detangle that section. Then you want to rinse that section out and twist it up. And those are the 5 steps. And once I have completed the rest of my head, I will slide back in, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy this clip. Okay, so now we have completed the co-washing section of our wash day, and now we are going into the conditioning. So I'm taking that conditioning treatment that I showed earlier, and I'm just going to apply this one section at a time. And I also detangle again while I condition my hair as well, because I just want to make sure that my hair is completely detangled before I, try to comb it or use a comb, because a comb will definitely comb your hair out. So make sure that you do your best to detangle your hair as much as you can while you're in the shower. But make sure you detangle it as slowly as possible, because if you do it too fast, it will cause tangles.
Evil on the beat.
Okay, so I am all done rinsing my hair completely. I am going to, of course, decondition my hair now, but I'm telling you that the steps that I took while washing my hair is needed if you want to make your detangling process less painful. And so this is the microfiber towel, and it's like a little hood. So I just put this on like this, and then pull my hair up, and then I just take the end, not too tight, and then you just twirl this like that, and then I'm done. This goes right in the hole, so you don't have to worry about that tagging down onto your clothes. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from the video. Always remember to be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. And don't rush, like have patience. That's very, very key, because if you don't, you will cause breakage. Our hair is the weakest when it's wet, so just keep that in mind. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.